Facebook long videos not showing problem. First of all, launch Facebook and head towards the home page. And then, if you do not see the video icon, you can easily navigate to the three bar menu icon, select the gear icon to access settings and privacy page. Tap on the tab bar, or simply you can tap on the navigation if you get it. Choose customize the bar option. And if you see the video icon has been stayed under hidden, you simply need to select that and you can either pin or tap on the auto option. So after you have done that, you need to check whether the long videos are showing on Facebook or not. If not, make sure that you clear all the cache and data. Long press on Facebook app, select app info, and now tap on storage users and tap clear cache, and you can manage the space here. And once you have done that, you need to check again whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you need to restart your device to make the following changes. So hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart and restart your phone. And with that, your issues on Facebook will be resolved. It was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.